This natural anomaly will leave you completely baffled. Half of a roaring river plunges into a deep stone hole and vanishes forever. In Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, a mysterious waterfall known as the Devil's Kettle has stumped geologists for decades. As the Brule River flows down, it splits in two. One half cascades into Lake Superior, while the other half plunges directly into a massive pothole in the rock. For years, scientists, researchers, and locals have dropped bright dyes, ping pong balls, and tracking devices into the dark abyss to trace where the water flows. Bizarrely, none of the items or colored water have ever resurfaced anywhere in connected lakes or oceans. Where does millions of gallons of water vanish to every single day? Subscribe for more premium history mysteries.